Hi, welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. I am in a 1969 Dodge Super B, a really classic vehicle. Check out the shifter, special shifter, and notice the white interior. Now let's take a look around the vehicle. Take a look at the bumper here. Notice the black stripe. What makes it stand out. Super V emblem. Now let's walk around this side. Take a look at the rims here. Let's take a look inside from the passenger side. Let's take a look at the hood here. And notice the six-pack. Let's take a look at the engine. It's a 440 engine, an original 4-speed transmission. Also has a Flowmaster exhaust. Now let's take a look at the grille here. Definitely a classic. Definitely you'll be noticed when you're coming down the road in this car. That's a wrap for this vehicle. Thank you for watching. Follow us on YouTube and watch more videos at usclassicmusclecars.com.